Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing up for Stock Advisor and choosing the trial or annual plan that fits you. Enter your payment details and confirm the billing email so you'll receive alerts. Once done, build a short watch list of 5 to 10 tickers. Include familiar names to compare recommendations. You do this now because immediate context improves learning. Seeing recommendations against your known stocks helps you understand trade timing and conviction levels faster, and you'll get personalized alerts sooner. Next, dive into each analyst pick and read the investment thesis and the explicit risk section to learn the why and the downside. Compare the analyst target price with the current price and note the catalysts that could drive the stock. This teaches you timing. Use built-in filters, sector, market cap, conviction, to prioritize ideas that match your risk profile. Make sure to cross-check basic fundamentals while you read so recommendations become actionable, not just interesting notes. Finally, convert a recommendation into an executed trade by sizing the position. Decide percentage of portfolio and set entry limits. Place alerts for price targets, stop ranges, and relevant news to automate monitoring, and use the app's note feature to record your thesis and exit rules. Once filled, review performance weekly and rebalance as needed. If something goes wrong, like missing alerts or sync issues, refresh the app, reauthorize your account connection, and contact support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.